I want to share with you this 30-minute pinto beans recipe that I made in the Instant Pot. You could also make these in the crock pot and they come out delicious. Go ahead and grab some smoked neck bones, or you can have ham or bacon. That's also a good substitute. I soaked these beans, but you can use unsoaked. Just make sure you rinse them off. Add diced mixed peppers, that gives it a nice flavor, and then I added chopped white onions. All these vegetables I pre-cut a few days ago, and so this was really simple to create. I love adding better than bouillon, either vegetable stock or chicken stock. This gives it a nice rounded flavor. Then put some chicken broth in there and a little bit of fresh garlic. Get that a nice good mix with all of your seasonings. We went with all-purpose Goya, and then I also like to add some chili powder. This has a nice smoky flavor. It also gives it a little bit of heat, but make sure you put as much as you can tolerate. I also like to add the ground cumin for another nice round of flavor. About a teaspoon is pretty good for that. And then lastly, I added another Mexican spice mix that I had at the grocery store. Very good, one of my favorite blends to put in there. Whatever you have on hand is great. Go ahead and give that a nice stir, and then you're gonna pour that all over the top of those beans, those onions, and those diced green peppers. Give all of that a good mix, and you're gonna add in the rest of your chicken broth and a little bit of water just to make sure you cover right to the top of those beans. Don't overdo it. You wanna have a nice rich flavor. Mix everything, get those onions all the way incorporated to the bottom. Then you're gonna set your pressure cooker to the beans or the lentil setting, and I've had it about 30 minutes going on this one. And then once the steam is removed, the pressure is released, then you have this nice, beautiful broth with those beans. They should be fully cooked, nice. Some of them have probably burst a little bit, and that's okay. We don't want them soggy, but some of them are still all the way together. Look at that beautiful broth. Go ahead and pour it over a little bit of rice as your side, or you can just have it as beans on the side with some chicken, whatever you like. Put that juice on top and make sure you get a nice scoop. This is a perfect family comfort meal. You can have this for lunch, dinner, wherever you feel necessary. If you love dishes like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of the good, baby.